WYGM Orlando.
AM 740 The Game.
The home for the UCF Knights.
Scott Adams back with you here from the Bright House as UCF down right now, 17-7 to the Buffalo Bulls. We'll get our halftime stats with the voice of the Knights, Mark Daniels. But before we do that, how about we hear from our presenting game sponsor tonight, and that's Metro PCS as Vice President of Sales and Distribution. Kim Watson joined us here up in the booth. Kim, I know a questionable interference call there late as Buffalo was able to get those extra 3 points on the board. What was up with that?
I don't know, but I'm glad we held them to 3 instead of a touchdown.
Very, very true. As UCF down just by 10, they will be getting the ball here come the second half. But Kim, let's talk a little bit about some of the plans that Metro PCS has available right now, including a family plan as well as an international calling plan.
Yeah, Scott, we have plans that range in price from $30 to $50, and all of our plans are unlimited. Unlimited voice, unlimited long distance, and unlimited text messaging. And as you said, we also have some great family plans and international calling. When you put 2 or more people, up to 5 people on an account, you can get $5 off each of those plans. And then you can add international calling for just $5 and be able to call over 100 countries and 1,000 destinations, unlimited for just $5 a month.
I mean, some really, really easy and simple deals to really get signed up for by logging on or calling representatives there for Metro PCS.
Absolutely, and all of our plans are always unlimited, so you don't have to worry about overages, and there's never a